QuickSet Anti-Reverse, all metal gears, patented no-tangle design, changeable right or left-hand retrieve pre-spooled with 8 pounds Zebco Cajun line 2-piece 5-foot 3-inch durable fiberglass rod, moderate action, medium power, ideal for use with lures weighing 1/16-1/4 ounce right-sized gear that fits your size, age, and style, built-in carabiner for hands-free portability trusted, since 1954, Zebco Brands have helped people enjoy and discover the outdoors through fishing. Zebco products are warranted for a period of 1 year from date of original retail purchase against defects in workmanship and/or materials.